Happy Thursday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. Kicking off this December, we got the Giving Tree right behind me, so we keep adding more tags as you guys are taking them. So keep coming in. Even if you aren't a practice member, please help the local families in our community. We want to make sure that we can give back to our community, help our neighbors. They might be a lot closer to us than we actually know and think. So it's very important. Let's give everybody a great Christmas this year. A lot of simple things up there like non-perishable foods, books, board games, simple things like that, socks, just the necessities that people need every day that we can just give back. If there's nothing up there that you guys see of interest, we are taking donations that we will give directly to Project Hope or to help to take care of any remaining tags. Or if there's just socks or different things that you guys want to give that you have extra of, you can give that as well, and we'll pass that along to Project Hope. So then kicking off this December, Dr. Lee will be presenting her eating healthy or healthy eating workshop that at the end of the month. So this will be after Christmas. I think it's the Tuesday after Christmas that we're doing it. I'm not sure on the date. I'll check with you guys on that. 15 seats for the workshop. We did this back in the beginning of the year. It was a big hit. Just helping people get back on track with different things, especially heading in the new year. I know she's got something extra special for you guys planned, so you definitely want to check out that. But the important thing to understand about healthy eating is just consistency, right? There's a lot of things out there, a lot of lifestyles, a lot of diets, fads, where we fall off of the track as we try to turn our lives upside down to try to fit it into our current lifestyle, and people don't do well with it, right? So small, subtle changes over a long period of time will get those consistent patterns down there and get you to that healthy weight or healthy lifestyle that you're looking for. I understand we eat not because of what our weight is, just because what it's doing to our lifestyle, right? You want to make sure you're fueling your body and helping your body recover. What you put into your body is what your body's going to give you. So if you feed your body garbage, it's going to give you garbage. You feed your body health, it's going to give you health. Simple as that. So every time you make a decision at the dining room table or the kitchen, just is it going to help me or hurt me in the end? What do I want? Do I want more energy or feel like crap? So that's the tip for the day. Just start changing little things here and here, okay? I'm a big proponent of adding on healthier things, not trying to take away. Enjoy that cookie, but enjoy a big salad every single day. Simple, right? That's not too hard to ask. So if you guys have any questions, you have any concerns, you have any comments, you want to see anything in particular in the workshops or in these videos every week, post them below. We'll get them to you as we go on this month. Have a great Thursday, everybody.